Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super filling and healthy peanut butter breakfast smoothie recipe which you can include in your weight loss journey. This smoothie is filling and will keep you satiated till lunchtime. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender, I'm adding in one whole ripe banana. Add in 1 glass of water, and this is the glass with which I measured the water. Add in 1 tablespoon peanut butter for some natural healthy fats and protein. I have already shared how to make all natural peanut butter at home. For some healthy fats, omega 3s and protein, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds and 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Add in 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder to help boost your metabolism, and cinnamon also will give a nice flavor to the smoothie. Blend all this really well and pour the thick and creamy peanut butter smoothie into a serving glass. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon peanut butter and top it with a teaspoon of cacao nibs. For some antioxidants, and cacao nibs also gives a nice crunch to the smoothie. Drizzle a little bit of peanut butter and my super healthy smoothie loaded with healthy fats and protein is ready to serve. Dark chocolate smoothie, which is a perfect filling meal for breakfast in your weight loss journey. This smoothie is dedicated to all chocolate lovers. Starting your day with the goodness of sugar-free dark chocolate is a treat, right? So let's get started with the recipe. The dark chocolate I'm using is 99% dark chocolate, which does not contain added sugar or trans fat. The healthy fat is the natural cocoa butter in the dark chocolate. Now for this recipe, I'm using 1 square of the dark chocolate, which weighs 24 grams. I'm roughly chopping the dark chocolate and then keeping it aside. Into my blender, I'm adding in 1 glass of water, and this is the glass with which I measured the water. I'm using frozen bananas in this recipe. However, you can use fresh bananas instead, along with 1 cup of ice cubes. Using ice cubes instead of water is entirely optional. Add in 4 cashew nuts for some healthy fats, 1 tablespoon flax seeds and 1 tablespoon chia seeds for that extra omega 3s and antioxidants, half tablespoon freshly ground cinnamon powder to help boost your metabolism, and lastly add in 1 tablespoon chopped dark chocolate and blend on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Once blended, pour the smoothie into a serving glass and top it with 1 teaspoon cacao nibs. The cocoa nibs will give an added crunch and flavor to the smoothie. And lastly, top it with the rest of the chopped dark chocolate. And my healthy, sugar-free dark chocolate smoothie is ready to serve. If you feel you need more sweetness, you can use 1 or 2 dates. So guys, do try this healthy dark chocolate smoothie and let me know how this turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.